guys, welcome back to another Trunk Club unboxing. This is our large box over here. They're so hard to fit into the camera screen. But if you have not seen my previous Trunk Club unboxing, I'm going to link that above for you because I go into so much more detail, background information as to what to expect with Trunk Club, and then that box is also very entertaining. I got some really great stuff in that box. I do have a $50 referral code down below if you would like to get $50 off your first box. That will go towards something that you decide to keep. And thank you to all of my returning subscribers. Thank you for your comments, your support, your likes. They mean so much to me, and you guys have really been helping me get somewhere here on YouTube, so thank you. And if you are new here and you would like to see more fashion and lifestyle content, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can be reminded every single time I upload. Don't forget to comment, let me know you're here because I will chat with you in the comments. And that's it. Let's go ahead and get started with this video. Okay, let me open this up down here. Let's see if I can get the information out first. All the way at the bottom of the box. Yes, so you do have an information card taped to go on your box when you return it. And I actually scheduled UPS pickup for my home, which is really nice. I'm so glad that they do that because I do not feel like lugging that huge box to the post office. But then they also have your return ship label here. So everything you need to send everything back. Shipping is free. First item. Ooh, this is from Topshop. This is a white dress, size 10, and I actually really like this fabric. It's very, very soft, but still very light. The smocked poplin dress is $55. That's not bad for a dress. And I mean, it feels like really nice quality. And I did actually request a white dress. I feel like they're very good at giving you what you request. With a straw hat, I think this would be such a cute outfit. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you what this looks like on. I feel like this dress would look a little bit better with a belt. I decided to keep it tied because I think it does look better that way. Very oversized, but I do like it. There is a little bit of ruffle around the neck, and I love this scrunched style. I decided to pair it with these shoes that I got from American Eagle a long time ago. I think the length of this is perfect. I love how it just hits the top of my knee. Very effortless. I love it. Yes. Oh, this is so cute. It's like those oversized balloon jumpsuits. Has little tassels on the straps, but this is from the brand Madewell. It's on sale for $52.80, but the original price says that it's $88. There is just a little bit of embroidery on this. There's a little bit of pink to it. It's mostly beige. The legs are very loose. It's like a wide leg style, and it's supposed to be like a very oversized jumpsuit. I love how loose fitting this is. It's a little bit see-through, but it's not too bad. I actually would like it if this was just a little bit thicker material, but it is very light, so it makes it nice for the summer. I really like that I can just throw on a bralette underneath this. These straps you can adjust. So I kind of adjusted it to the neckline that I wanted. I love how low and relaxed the back is. Shows off the bralette a little bit. I think the two just go really well together. This could also be a winter outfit too. If you threw on a puffy sleeved embroidered top underneath, if it was like long sleeved or something, it would look really cute in the winter. Yes. Madewell tall rise. Wait. Oh yes. Oh, I was hoping I was going to get one of these. Are these going to be my perfect high-rise denim shorts. It's a size 31. Usually I'm a size 30 in them, but I'm actually glad that they size up because sometimes Madewell is a little bit too snug on me. So these look like they're gonna be perfect. And I love how it has the frayed edges. That is exactly what I was wanting. I love that look. Tag says that they're $69.50. And yep, that's what the price is here from Nordstrom. It's still not a bad price for Madewell. Fingers crossed that these are the perfect fit. Is a little bit of gap, actually quite a bit of gap back here, but I could fix that with a belt. I'm gonna keep in mind that size 31 is my best fit for Madewell because honestly, their sizing is so tricky sometimes. And Madewell fabric is extremely high quality. And I really, really like the cut. I don't think that they're too short. They go down far enough in the back and it's high-waisted. I cannot tell you how comfortable these are though. And then this top that I paired with it is from an online boutique. I will try and leave it linked down below if it's still available, but I think I got it last year. Completely in love with these shorts. Let's do this. I don't know what this is. Wow, okay, so it came with the hanger. This is from Topshop again. This is a long-sleeved blouse. It has like the corset, I don't know, style. This looks so pretty. This is in the size 10. Yeah, ooh, I like this sleeve detail. There's buttons on the sleeves. No elastic in it, but this looks like it's gonna be a really nice, comfortable fit. And I love this deep V-neck. Okay, so the tag here says that it's $40 originally. It looks like it's $40 on Nordstrom as well. I love how I'm wearing a top that is very similar to this today. So I felt like pulling out my mom jeans again. I missed them. These are my favorite ones from American Eagle. Just because it's so fitted right here, I felt like it would fall into line with this high waist. I love that there's just so much detail that goes into something like this. But I'm thinking more like springtime and even fall. This would be such a cute outfit. And then the back is pretty simple. You do get a little bit of overlapping material right here, which I don't know if it's because it's just slightly too big on me, but I prefer the oversized. Lots of Topshop here. I don't know if that's gonna be too small, but it is a crochet top. This feels like it's gonna be really nice actually. It feels very soft, and this would actually look really pretty with my high-waisted linen pants that I'm always wearing with a bralette underneath. This is in the size 10. The tag says that it's $38, and on the sheet from Nordstrom, $38. I wore my Free People bralette underneath this top because it is see-through. It's like a crochet / embroidered top, and it is very comfortable. It is not itchy whatsoever. I feel like since these are nice and loose fitting on the bottom, it contrasts really well with this tight fit top. Everything just is pulled together with the bralette and the Birkenstocks. Very, very fun look, and it's still keeping with that boho theme that apparently we're having this round. Let's mix it up here. I'm gonna go for Look at the tassels. This is like a boho dream. I mean, you can't get cuter than that. Leather strap. Okay, where's this from? Looks like Nordstrom actually made this. It says $79 on the bag. I wouldn't say that this would be worth $79, but I feel like the size is definitely unique. This is big enough to throw a couple books in there for the beach. Let's do this. Free People. Wow, this is really big though. I love this color. This is my color. I want to say white is my color, but now I'm like, nope, this is my color. But this embroidery throughout the dress is just gorgeous. And this is just such a statement. This is called the Fiona embroidered mini dress, and it is $148. That is Free People though. They tend to be very, very expensive, but I mean, they're very unique in all their clothing. I'm gonna go try this on. I love the embroidery on this dress, but something that I noticed with this is that I needed to make sure that I put this on a little bit longer in the back. I think that it falls just a little bit too short on me, but honestly, like, I would be okay with wearing this as long as I had something underneath it. I love how low the back goes, and just the little bow just adds so much to it. I think it is so pretty. I really like it. I'm already having such a hard time deciding what I want to keep from this box. We have a pair of white jeans from Madewell. Oh, these are like my dream pair. I'm just gonna have to narrow it down to what I need. They feel incredible. They feel like a dream pair of jeans. The one thing that I'm nervous with white jeans is that you can see through them really easily, and I'm not about seeing the underwear. You know, it's just not my thing. But these look like they're gonna be nice and thick, and if I just wear like a nude pair of undergarments, they should be fine. Ripped Edition high-waisted mom jeans. These are $88. If these fit, I'm getting these. Because I really have been looking for the perfect pair of white jeans for a while. In fact, I have been requesting it from Stitch Fix as well. I love how there's a little bit of ripped detail on the bottom of the jeans, and the pockets are a little bit frayed. It's just like that distressed, well-worn look that I love. I love it when clothing looks like it's well-worn. It makes it look like they're loved. Let's go try these on. I love these jeans. So I know it looks like these fit me perfectly, but let me tell you, it was a struggle to get into these. I feel like my butt is smushed in here, but these are exactly what I was looking for. I'm gonna have to exchange it for the next size up though, I think, because it's very uncomfortable for me to walk around in. And then this top that I paired it with is from Shein, and I love pairing cream and white together. I don't know why. We've got another Free People. These bright colors. Okay, so it says that it is $68 from Free People, size medium. Free People just always has the brightest, most unique colors and patterns, and I love how oversized it is, and especially since it is a bodysuit, it is $68. That's not bad for Free People, still pricey. Yeah, usually I'm not impressed with bodysuits. They're normally very uncomfortable for me, but this one I feel like is perfect. And these shorts, by the way, are from H&M. I got them I think 2 years ago, so I don't know if they're still available, but I haven't worn these in a while, so I thought I'd pair this green with this yellow, and I thought it was just a cute combination. It's very flowy, and the material is so soft and comfortable. Like, you can tell it is very well made. Perfect for the summer. I could see myself wearing this a lot if I decided to get it, so I'm gonna have a really hard time figuring out what I'm going to keep from this box. Oh yes, this is something that I added to my box. This is so soft. This is from the brand True. It didn't have any underwire in it, and this would just be like something nice to wear at home with a t-shirt or something. It just looked really comfortable for like an everyday type of bra, because I really need something like this. I love more of the bralettes, and I felt like this was a cross between bralette and bra since there was no underwire in it. Okay, the True Body Triangle Convertible Bralette. Oh, this is a bralette. Oh, and this is $44. I feel like that's pretty reasonable for a good bra. Alright, last item in her box. Wow, we've been here a million years. Birkenstock, the perfect boho shoe. Now, I do have a pair of Birkenstocks, so I know I don't need these, but just to try them on. I mean, why not? I love my Birkenstocks. I've had mine for like 3 years now, and they're still going strong. So if you don't have a pair of Birkenstocks, highly recommend them. They last forever. They are so comfortable once you break them in. The first time that I wore the pair that I own, I had so many blisters. I better put these away because I'm starting to want them. These are the size 10 Birkenstock in black, and these are $134.95. Birkenstocks are expensive. They are very well made. I really do highly recommend these if you want something that'll last and that you can pull out every summer and they'll always be in style. So, well, I don't know if they'll always be in style, but they always seem to come back. So that is everything from our box. Be sure to try on all the outfit suggestions I emailed over. Have a blast with the outfits, mix and match, and add in items from your previous wardrobe. You can process any exchanges through that form as well. If you haven't already, please download the Trunk Club app to make sure your checkout process is seamless. I'll reach out soon to chat about your thoughts and favorites. Enjoy and have fun. So I actually didn't get a name who styled my trunk, but I'm assuming it's probably a styling team. Just with everything that's going on, I'm sure it's hard to get an individual stylist to do all this for you, but I love every single item that I got in this box. These stylists did an amazing job of narrowing down my style. I mean, I'm so impressed with them. Wish me luck, because now I have to decide what I'm going to keep. Yeah, this is gonna be rough. Can't wait to talk with you guys in the comments, see what you guys have to say about all this stuff, but give me a thumbs up if you enjoyed this, and I'm gonna see you very soon in another video.